Hey guys, welcome to Minecraft episode 1. I'm going to show you how to make a automatic piston door like this. My freaking pressure plates disappeared. What the hell? Well, it's fine. So what you're gonna do is destroy 4 blocks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 again. So it looks like that. And then we're going to delete these 2. And you're supposed to put this here and this here. Delete these 2 right here. If I'm going too fast, you can pause. And then you can do this. Forgot what I could do. You can do this. You can put these here. Put that there. Delete that. And then put that there. Fill that with stone right there. Same with this one. Fill it with stone. And put your redstone up. Put your redstone torch right behind the pistons, and then you're gonna put stone on top of the on top of the redstone torches. Look like that, and you're gonna put piston right here, and another one right here, and you're gonna put these 2. Fill this with blocks. Yeah, pressure plates. When you walk through it, that's gonna be what happens. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Please rate. I'll make more Minecraft videos.